Hello guys, I am here for all of you who want a radiant enhancing glow to your skin. This new product from one of my favorite brands, the Jojoba company, is called the Daily Glow Exfoliating PHA Tonic. And if you are someone who is looking to brighten your complexion with a chemical exfoliant, maybe you've tried AHAs or BHAs before and they're too irritating for your skin, or you've never tried a chemical exfoliant before and would like to start, this is the product for you, especially for those of us with super sensitive skin. The formula has 6% BHAs, which are polyhydroxy acids. These are larger in molecular size, which means they will penetrate our skin more slowly and less deeply, which is proven to cause less irritation. And that's a tick from me because I have sensitive skin and I can't just throw any old product on my face. I have been using this as part of my daily routine. So after I've cleansed my face in the morning, I will put 3 to 5 drops just on my fingertips, pat my face and my neck, and by the time I'm dressed, the lightweight formula has absorbed. I will then follow this with my serum, my moisturiser, and of course my SPF, and then go about my day. I also love the fact that it has niacinamide, my favourite ingredient, finger lime, hibiscus, and jojoba leaf extract. These ingredients work together to get rid of dullness, unclog your pores, gently exfoliate, strengthen your skin barrier, as well as retain moisture. It is a powerhouse inside this little bottle, and I am loving the healthier, smoother, and brighter complexion it is providing me. So if that's something you're after, I highly recommend the new product from the Jojoba company. Thanks, guys.